The Tottenham Hotspur Stadium is the home of Premier League club Tottenham Hotspur in North London, replacing the club's previous stadium, Hart Lane. With a seating capacity of 62,850, it is the third largest football stadium in England and the largest club stadium in London. It is designed to be a multi-purpose stadium and features the world's first dividing, retractable football pitch, which reveals a synthetic turf field underneath for NFL London games, concerts and other events. The construction of the stadium was initiated as the centerpiece of the Northumberland development project, intended to be the catalyst for a 20-year regeneration plan for Tottenham. The project covers the site of the now demolished ground Hart Lane and areas adjacent to it. The project was first conceived in 2007 and announced in 2008, but the plan was revised several times and the construction of the stadium, beset by disputes and delays, did not commence until 2015. The stadium subsequently opened on 3 April 2019 with a ceremony before the first Premier League game held at the stadium. The name Tottenham Hotspur Stadium was meant to be temporary, the intention being to sell the naming rights so that it would be named after a sponsor, but as of July 2021 it still has not been renamed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.